Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Insta360 Go with iPhone. And to do this I downloaded Insta360 Go app from App Store, and here is a camera. We want to click on the camera button in the bottom of your screen and go for Bluetooth control. Now it will search for your camera. We can power it on by clicking on this button right here. Now it should be visible in the list right here. If not, then you can try to reset the camera by holding the button for 30 seconds. Power it back on. And in case it's still not visible, then what I did, it's not in the instructions, but for me somehow it worked. I pressed this button a few times. And here it is. If you click on it, you can now start using your camera remotely using your iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.